Hello everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to open dark website in mobile. First thing first, we're going to use the Tor browser application on Android. Firstly, open the Google Play Store. Search for Tor browsers by the Tor project, then tap Install. Once installed, open the app and tap Connect. Wait up for 30 to 60 seconds for the connection to the Tor network. And now you're connected and you can visit Onion websites. For example, you'll find the website as .onion, so you can use DuckDuckGo on Tor like Google. So it is the search engine of the dark web on Google. So it is the search engine on the dark web. Stay anonymous, never share personal info or use real credentials, and use a VPN, which adds another layer of security, but make sure it's a Tor-friendly one. Avoid downloading files and stick to trusted Onion links. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for more.